Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are like me and you love to color, even as an adult, I really want you to check out these Secret Garden postcards by Johanna Basford. So all of these pages are garden based. They are beautiful. I love the quality of the paper. It's just really enjoyable to color on. And the best part about this book is that each page is a separate postcard. So when you're done coloring, you can easily pull out the page and send it to your friends or loved ones as something that you got to do as a creative project. So they are fun and practical to use. Overall, I've just really enjoyed using this book. I find it very relaxing. I love all of the pictures, and I think that if you love to color, you would love this as well. And that's my point of view.